So here we are with our new front derailleur. Oh, okay, they stick in. Interesting. But the Shimano or the SRAM front derailleurs use clip-in, which does make doing this much easier. There we go. Let's see. Still have to do more setup on it, but I'm just doing a general installation here. And that is the Dérailleur XT front derailleur. If you're looking for a new front derailleur, front derailleurs are right now an all-time cheap. This front derailleur was about $12 Canadian, which is really cheap. Here's the next part that we'll be putting on. It's a SLX front shift lever for a front derailleur, and it's the normal mount. Was not sure which eye spec I needed. It does come with a good cable, like the XT shifters. Looks very similar to the XT I have. $17 for the shifter, which is actually a good deal when we consider it comes with cable and housing. And we will just slip that on there. And as you can see, there's my other manual rear XT 11-speed. So that's the Shimano M8000 rear shifter and M7000 front shifter. So we're doing ourselves up a good Frankenbike.